Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a birthday get ready with me. Today is the 16th of June, which is my birthday. And yeah, I'm testing out a full face of new high-end makeup. Well, new to me. Some of it's new, most of it's just new to me. But I'm going to be testing all of it out on my face today. So if you're interested in seeing me test out a full face of new makeup, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm sorry if the lighting is really weird. I usually don't film this early in the day and the sun is so bright on that side, so my artificial lighting on this side is having a little bit of trouble keeping up. The first product I'm going to be testing out today is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I'm so excited to try this. So my vision is to do like a half pink, half green cut crease. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm just going to kind of fast forward through what I'm doing and you guys will see how it turns out. My first impression of this palette is that it is amazing. I love the eye look that I created, and it was so easy to use, so pigmented, so blendable. I should have gotten this palette a long time ago. Extremely expensive, but I've only used 3 shades, and I think it's totally worth the money. Alright, now on to my face. I'm going to go ahead and prime, and then I'm going to test a new foundation. Alright, so my face is primed. The foundation I'm testing today is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear foundation. Ooh. I've got mine in the shade 120, which I hope is the correct one. Ooh, we've got something. I'm also going to be using my beauty blender, my new one, which is the, color changing one. Oh my gosh, I love the way this foundation smells. The smell of this foundation is like so familiar to me, but I can't like quite lay my finger on it. Okay, I think I like that foundation so far. I think it looks really nice on my skin and I love the smell of it. It smells amazing. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the shade 02. How do people do their makeup like holding a mirror like this? It is really hard. Okay, so that concealer's not bad either. I mean, I did the job. It concealed. I don't really know how to judge a concealer other than it doesn't look gross on my face, so I guess that's a good thing. I'm going to go ahead and powder, and then we will move on to more products. Alright, now it is time for bronzer. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Today I have the NARS Laguna Matte Bronzer, which I guess is not new, but it's new packaging. I don't know a lot about NARS products. If you guys can't tell, I don't know a lot about high-end products, period. So, also I washed all of my brushes just for this video, so you guys should all be very proud of me. Okay, and we're pigmented. Great, but we're blending. Wow, this is very golden, which I love. I Everything smells amazing on my face now. Because of that foundation, everything just smells really good on my face. Okay, so I think I really like that. I am going to diffuse it a little bit with my powder brush. I always do this because I tend to get a little crazy. But yeah, I think that's beautiful. So for blush, I have the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur, which I don't know if you can use this with a brush. I don't know if you're supposed to. I guess I'm going to, and we're gonna see how it goes. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and try my beauty blender in here. We've definitely got product. It does say bounce and blur, so I assumed, you know, like bounce. I'm about to go back and see how Soph uses this. My face is feeling very creamy now. I don't know if it's all from that or from like the foundation. Still, the foundation is still very dewy and nice looking on my skin, which I love. Now for highlighter, I'm using the Moonstone highlighter from Becca Cosmetics. I hope this is not too dark for me. I think it's quite too dark for me. It's pretty close. It's pretty close. Like, I would say it's like just light enough for my skin tone. But I wouldn't say this is my favorite highlighter ever. I'm going to set my face and then I will finish up my eyes and we'll move on. Alright, going back into the Huda Beauty palette, I'm just going to take the shade Off Balance again. And I'm just going to run that like halfway underneath my eye, just about to the halfway point, and then blend it out. And that's all I'm going to do for my under eyes. I did already test out the KVD Vegan Beauty eyeliner, and it's okay. It's not really my favorite. I wasn't planning on using it in this video, so I did already test it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyeliner with the Scone Cosmetics Insanely Intense Tattooed Mini Eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've thrown on my eyeliner. Now I'm going to be testing mascara, and I do have mascara and lashes. Now, depending on how the mascara turns out, I'm probably still going to put on lashes just because I'm so excited and I want to look all fancy for my birthday. But, I mean, if the mascara is, like, absolutely amazing, then maybe I won't need to wear lashes. Today, I'm testing the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, which I am so excited to test out. I've just heard so many people rave about this. This is a big one. Like, wow. I can, like, really feel this gripping my lashes. I'm also flicking it all over my face. The brush is nothing like that one. I love this brush more, but like the formula is so similar to the Blowout mascara. Now I do have a bunch right here on my face that I'm gonna have to wipe off, but I'm gonna wait until it's really dry, and I'm just gonna wait a really long time. So today I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood lashes, which are like the Norvina lashes. I'm super excited to try these. You know, I hate to toot my own horn, but I've gotten really good at putting fake lashes on. I just live for the ones that have those little clusters like that. Those are such pretty lashes. I might have to buy some more of the Anastasia lashes because I live for these. These are so beautiful. I'm going to line my lips and then we're going to do lipstick. Last thing to test out is the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Lipstick in Prom Night. So excited, so excited. I think it's gonna look really cute with this whole thing. To remind you guys, mine is a little munched, but it's not broken, so hopefully everything's okay. That is a velvety lipstick. Not gonna lie, I don't usually go for a matte lipstick anymore, but I don't know, I really wanted to try this matte lipstick, but I don't hate it. I don't hate it. So my makeup is done. Now I'm going to go put on this super cute little dress, and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got my dress on. Here is a close-up of how the makeup turned out. I absolutely love it. I was really worried about doing a full face of new makeup on my birthday, but I think it turned out really, really good. My favorite things are definitely the eyeshadow palette, the lashes, and the bronzer. The bronzer is like not completely matte. It says matte, but it's definitely not 100% matte. Like, I'm getting a bit of a glow from it, and I love that. Alright, so this is the finished look for my birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. If anyone else is having a birthday today, happy birthday. Today's the 16th of June. This probably won't be going out until the 20th, which is actually my sister's birthday, so happy birthday to her. I post videos every single Saturday. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Hope you enjoyed. Bye! I'm gonna go eat grilled cheese and tomato soup.